A good one.
Yeah, good feedback.
Good feedback.
Majorly, the response has been really good.
And people are really liking Meenakshi Sundareshwar.
Yeah.
हल्दी के दूध के फायदे क्या होते हैं? मतलब, has anyone really deciphered that why is it considered? It has to be there on the.
It's an aphrodisiac.
Okay. So and both the girl and the boy, they should be drinking it.
क्यों
Or
नहीं?
only the boy should be drinking it. Okay.
According to Meenakshi, she has changed
The game.
स्कूटर के दोनों पहियों में
इक्वल हवा होनी
बराबर
चाहिए,
की
नहीं तो
होनी
एक्सीडेंट हो
Yeah.
जाता है।
yeah.
You should give yourself a pat on the back because you've been doing a great job of it.
Thank you so much, Haridun. That's very kind.
For all your films.
But the credit goes to Vivek for writing such a nice script and character.
Guys, welcome on Bollywoodingama.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Haridun. for
Thank you so
having
much.
us.
Tell us, what sort of feedback have you been getting for Meenakshi Sundareshwar?
A good one.
Yeah, good feedback.
Good feedback, and people are really liking Meenakshi Sundareshwar.
Yeah.
There are people who can relate to them and their love story.
Most people say that they've left, they're happy and hopeful at the end of the movie. And they could relate to a lot of human aspects that they have been through in their past relationships or current relationships. So it's reminding them of those sweet, happy, bittersweet memories.
All right, and what about you, Vivek?
The response has been really overwhelming. बहुत मेरे को मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, जो लोग रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं और जो अभी भी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में हैं या कभी थे. So it's been good. Of course, there is a certain section उनको they are not able to, कुछ थोड़ा सा क्रिटिक हमेशा से रहता ही है, but that's okay. But majorly the response has been really good, and yeah, we are happy.
And Sanya, tell me something about who exactly is the person who helps you with your script choices?
It's me myself.
It's you
At
yourself.
the end of the day, I have to be the character. I have to be the character. So I listen to my instincts. What did you say?
Snoop Dogg.
Oh, acha. Oh.
Yes, I'm saying that you should give yourself a pat on the back because you've been doing a great job of it.
Thank you so much, Haridun. That's very kind.
For all your films.
But the credit goes to Vivek for writing such a nice script and character for this
Thank
one.
you. No, he's saying overall, in general.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm saying in general. All right, Abhimanyu, how did your mom react to the film after watching it?
I mean, like how any proud mom would react to her son doing or daughter doing a good job,
Right.
Parents always feel proud of what their children are doing, and if children can make their parents feel proud, then it's the biggest award to take back.
Sanya, what is your response to the fact that interesting sort of stories are being made, stories that are not really afraid of the fact that Friday ko kya hoga, and they can still reach to say 200 countries and make an impact. Do you find that interesting?
I do. I think with with platforms like Netflix, I think creators and actors have a lot of freedom and a lot of work to experiment with the kind of content that they are creating. You can do so much with the OTT. You can make interactive content. You can make short stories, anthologies, or things that will, I think, grab the attention and will also get the audience and the reach. So definitely there is much more that you can do now, and this is only increasing and getting better day by day.
Of course. What about you, Abhimanyu? Do you for a new actor who's coming up, you started off with an unconventional film in a way that had great publicity machinery in terms of what you guys yourself did. Do you find it interesting that I'm saying for an actor like you that एक बहुत बार होता है ना कि proverbial कि that hero जो है वो एक certain way दिखना चाहिए तभी उसको हम hero करेंगे. And but I think that is something that gets changed when it comes to maybe a platform like say OTT, for example, because here the story is the hero.
I mean, I'm an actor, not a hero. So that definition, that the title that you're giving me is of a hero, which I'm not. I'm an actor. So
Main lead, main
yeah,
lead,
yeah,
main lead, main lead.
uh,
For this. Huh.
yeah. Like she said, there are different stories being told, and the conventional Bollywood hero. People aren't in touch with that anymore. It's not a reality that we feel or we see when we live our everyday lives, and people are more connected to things uh, that have a touch of reality, but also give them a sense of hope. So I think now those kind of stories are being told, and this is my second film, not the first one. Uh, my first one was Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota.
That's what I mentioned. That your first film, you got a very unconventional sort of publicity vehicle
Yeah.
because of whatever stuff that you guys created yourself, spoofing yourself and the entire industry
Yeah.
in a way, which was unconventional. That's what I said in the beginning.
Yeah, I mean, it's I think everyone takes themselves too seriously, and if we take ourselves seriously, we'll never get out alive. It's if you make fun of yourself, then you realize that you're not perfect, and you want to go with what you have fun with, and that at the end of the day, that's what's important, just having fun with everything that you do.
Vivek, as I mentioned, as I asked you in the beginning about the criticism part of it. So अभी क्या होता है कि this whatever is coming your way that about the accent part of it and Rajnikant element and stereotyping of South Indians. अभी जैसे मेरा एक दोस्त है वो मदुरई से ही है, but he has lived quite a bit in Delhi and he doesn't have an accent. So अगर वो मुझे बताए नहीं कि वो तमिलनाडु से है तो मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि he is a Tamilian inherently. So I don't know, मतलब थोड़ा सा ये आपको लगता है कि इवन जो एक्सेंट का जो है वो थोड़ा सा मे बी शायद वो भी एक स्टीरियोटाइप है कि एक्सेंट होना जरूरी है मे बी, और जैसे एक कंपैरिजन फैमिली मैन 2 से है कि they were speaking Tamil but maybe that it was a context that they were required to speak Tamil and maybe say in Meenakshi Sundareshwar they are not, maybe they do break into Seri and all that but maybe it is not required. कैसे आप देखते हैं ये सारे conversations?
जी, सो पहला चीज कि सही गलत तो मैं उसे सेग्रीगेट नहीं करूंगा, क्या सही है क्या गलत है. इट्स अ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव थिंग एंड सिंस इट्स अ क्रिएटिव मीडियम एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्व्स. हमारा जो शुरुआत से प्रोसेस था और जिस तरह से हम इस पूरी फिल्म को देख रहे थे, इट वाज ऑलवेज हिंदी फिल्म सेट इन तमिलनाडु. तो वो हमने हमेशा से चीज रखी, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि अगर हम इसमें तमिल करते, बिकॉज फिर वो वेयर डू यू ड्रॉ द लाइन, अगर इसमें पूरी इसको तमिल कर देते देन वो एक रीजनल फिल्म बन जाती, तमिल फिल्म बन जाती, जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत होती है, लेकिन मुझे एक हिंदी फिल्म बनानी थी, और दूसरा मुझे एक्सेंट नहीं रखना था, जो हमने फिल्म में कहीं भी नहीं रखा है, बिकॉज फिर उसके अंदर मुझे पर्सनली लगता है देन वो थोड़ा सा स्टीरियोटाइप की तरफ चला जाता है. सो हमने खालिस हिंदी रखी है फिल्म के अंदर, और यही मेरा ब्रीफ था शुरुआत से सारे एक्टर्स को कि ये हिंदी फिल्म है सेट इन तमिलनाडु, और फ्लेवर के तौर पे विल हैव तमिल वर्ड्स हियर एंड देयर, बट इवेंचुअली आई मीन एज अ होल पैकेज इट्स अ हिंदी फिल्म, सो दैट्स हाउ वी ट्रीटेड इट. और उस इवन जो भी तमिल कल्चर और जो भी हमने फिल्म के अंदर रखा है, वी मेड श्योर एंड वी वर वेरी कॉशियस एंड वी हैड people from that specific area and region in order to kind of help us and be there on shoot whenever we are doing any cultural specific thing. My second unit director, my editor, he's a Tamilian, my DA is a Tamilian, and Jason Prabhakaran, the music director itself, I mean he himself is a Tamilian, and also on set when there is a wedding which is happening and or koi cultural specific cheez hote the, to we used to have people so that kahin kisi ko ye na lage ki humne kuch galat represent kiya hai. सो हमने हमारी तौर से पूरी ऑनेस्टी और सारे एहतियात बरते, बट उसके बाद कभी क्या होता है, फिर भी लोगों को अगर कुछ लगता है देन इट्स फाइन, बिकॉज व्हाट आई फील एट टाइम्स पीपल रिएक्ट टू सून. ट्रेलर के अंदर दे स्टार्टेड और टीजर के अंदर दे स्टार्टेड जजिंग कि नहीं यार इसमें गलत ही होगा, क्योंकि पहले गलत रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता आया है. तो वो जो इस हिसाब से लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं, वो अगर थोड़ा सा पहले उस चीज को देखें एंड रिस्पॉन्ड करें इंस्टेड ऑफ रिएक्टिंग इट टू सून, तो वो बेटर होगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. बट अगेन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे people are free to feel, relate, react in the way they want, because now the film is theirs. हमारा काम हो गया है, जिस मंशा से, जिस इच्छा से, जिस शिद्दत से हमें बनानी थी हमने बना ली, and we are very happy about it. This is exactly how I wanted to make the film. So that way I'm at peace. अभी ठीक है, किसी को कुछ खामियां दिखती है, it's absolutely fine. मतलब I'm okay with it.
आपने दो अलग situations बताए, one with an accent and one without an accent in your examples, but that I think depends on the intent of the writer and director to showcase what they want to. In, for example, Family Man, they wanted to show a differentiation between both the cultures and them getting on the same page, whereas the intent in Meenakshi Sundareshwar is relatability.
And
agar if it's a language that the Hindi audience can relate to, that is why we've portrayed it in Hindi and not tried to show that they are different from us.
And also just to add to that, जैसे मेरा बहुत ही एक पसंदीदा शो है मालगुडी डेज, जो मैं बचपन में देख पड़ा हुआ हूँ और अभी भी मेरा फेवरेट शोज, वो साउथ में बेस्ड है, बट खाली सिंधी बोली है सबने, अगर आप देखेंगे तो. बट अगर वो नहीं शायद तमिल में होता तो मैं शायद बचपन में शायद मैं शो ही नहीं देख पाता, शायद मैं आई डोंट नो नाउ, बिकॉज नाउ मैं एक्सपोज टू लॉट ऑफ अदर रीजनल सिनेमा, एक्सपोज टू वर्ल्ड सिनेमा, नाउ शायद मैं उस चीज को एक्सप्लोर कर पाता, देख पाता. तो आई मीन पर्सनली देयर इज नो हार्म इन इट. आप ऑफ कोर्स आपको दूसरा कल्चर एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए हिंदी सिनेमा में भी, नहीं तो उन परिपुष्ट की उन लैंडस्केप्स की कहानी हम कभी लोगों के साथ शेयर ही नहीं कर पाएंगे, लोगों को दिखाई नहीं पाएंगे, नहीं तो हमारी कहानियां शो सब नॉर्थ इंडिया में ही घूम फिर के रह जाएंगे. So मेरे पता नहीं, as a maker I really want to explore the entire landscape. I mean all those places which have not been explored before. और of course आप अपनी honesty और अपना intention इन सबको अच्छे से ध्यान में रखते हुए करें, और बाकी उसके बाद मतलब leave it to the audience, and then be okay with it the way they are reacting.
Malgudi Days was written by R.K. Narayanan. It was written in English. And I think that English is as Indian as any other language, because it was so it spoke about the rural life maybe more beautifully than a lot of other people who may have written in regional languages. So वो तो I think बहुत ही diverse country है, बहुत सी बातें हर तरीके की होती हैं. Okay, Sania, as an actor, आप जब आप when in the process of finalizing a script, when you're filming it, आपके माइंड में क्या चलता है? यार पता नहीं कौन सी बात पे कौन कहाँ पर बुरा मान जाए, तो मैं क्या करूंगी?
मैं ये कभी सोचती ही नहीं हूँ फरीदून व्हेन आई एम अप्रोचिंग अ कैरेक्टर, क्योंकि अगर मुझे उसी लेवल पर अगर मैं डाउटफुल हूँ तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर. तो एज एन एक्टर इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि जब आप कोई कैरेक्टर कर रहे हैं तो आप कहीं ना कहीं उससे रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं और उसके साथ सिंपथाइज कर पा रहे हैं उसकी सिचुएशन के साथ, चाहे आप कैसा भी कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हो. अगर वो सिंपथी नहीं है आपके लिए जो कैरेक्टर आप प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है टू कन्विंस योरसेल्फ एंड देन लेटर ऑन द ऑडियंस दैट यू आर दैट कैरेक्टर. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं परफॉर्मेंस में झलकता है. तो वो मैं कभी नहीं सोचती कि किसको बुरा लगेगा या क्या लगेगा, ये मेरे दिमाग में नहीं चल रहा होता. अगर वो आ जाता है तो वो मैं कैरेक्टर या फिल्म करती ही नहीं हूँ. तो
राइट. बट ऐसा होता है कि कोई सर्टेन स्क्रिप्ट्स आती हैं, आपको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि मे बी पता नहीं, मे बी इट्स अ बिट ऑफ अ रिस्की सब्जेक्ट एंड मे बी यू डोंट डू इट.
जो है वो मैं जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा है वो मैं कर ही लेती हूँ. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है कि मुझे लगा हो कि रिस्की सब्जेक्ट है और मैं नहीं करूंगी. ऐसा अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है.
अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है. ऑलराइट. Abhimanyu, what about you? What sort of scripts are coming your way?
I mean, there's a whole different list, and that's the reason I'm choosing different scripts. Like Mard was extremely different, unconventional. Then you have Meenakshi, which is 180-degree flip from what I did in Mard. And I've got Aak Mein Choli and Nikamma, which are commercial masala films. One is an action entertainer, one is an out-and-out laughter riot. So I'm trying to select again scripts and characters that are extremely different, because that's the challenge of being an actor. We are I think modes of representation of those characters, and that's what I think we need to commit 100% to that and just follow that once we like something.
Right. All right. Okay. And Vivek, एक बहुत ही एक ऐसा डिस्कशन है जो कि जिसके ऊपर आई थिंक सबको सहमति है, वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. वो क्या है? वो ये है कि हल्दी के दूध के फायदे क्या होते हैं. मतलब has anyone really deciphered that why is it considered it has to be there on the...
It's an aphrodisiac.
Okay. So let's hear from the director.
Correct, no, that's he's saying is right. I mean that's the reason we have written in the script also.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
haldi ki doodh ke wahi khaye.
It's an aphrodisiac.
All right. So and both the girl and the boy, they should be drinking it.
Kyun
Or
nahi?
only the boy should be drinking it. Okay.
According to Meenakshi, she has changed the
the game.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. That scooter के दोनों पहियों में
Equal हवा होनी
बराबर की
चाहिए,
होनी
नहीं तो
चाहिए.
accident हो
Yeah.
सकता है.
Yeah.
As simple as it gets. Simplified.
Yeah.
Okay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Tell us something about the experience of shooting the film. How was the experience? These are real locations, I believe.
Yeah.
And you shot during the COVID times?
Yes, we
Yeah.
did.
I mean, that was
Must have been
one. It was amazing to get out of the house and start working again during the pandemic. So that was a blessing for us.
Yeah.
But the pandemic itself was, I mean, I take it as a blessing for this film because we got enough time to get into the characters. We were supposed to start shooting at the very beginning of the first lockdown. But then because of the lockdown, we got enough time to remain with the characters, to live with them. And then, yeah, shooting in the pandemic was amazing. The team that we had, everything was extremely smooth. Lot of safety precautions were taken. It seemed different on set. Some days
Yeah.
were, but
A lot of PPE kits around.
yeah, a lot of PPE kits, a lot of masks.
Yeah. And
So-
thankfully nobody got COVID.
No
Yeah,
one got
no one
COVID.
got
Fortunately,
COVID.
किसी
Right.
को नहीं हुआ, and
Yeah.
everything went very
Smoothly.
smooth.
Yes.
Yeah.
और बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया while we were staying in Karaikudi, while
Yeah.
we were in Madurai, and the people were extremely warm. They were helpful. They used to come and give their observations on set also.
Yeah.
बंगलो के बाहर खड़े रहते. They would randomly come
Yeah.
to us and start talking in Tamil,
Yeah.
which gave us a great feedback that we actually looked like the locals if
Yeah.
they could just come and randomly speak to us in the local language.
Yeah.
तो उन्हें भी वो कहीं ना कहीं relatability
होता है.
connect हुआ, that we were one of them. That felt great in the very beginning itself while we were shooting it.
All right. What about you, Sanya?
The food, also the fact, I've never been to Madurai. तो इस फिल्म के दौरान मुझे वो मौका मिला to go to Madurai. I'm in love with कराईकुड़ी जहाँ हमने शूट करा है फिल्म, जहाँ सुंदर और मीनाक्षी का घर है. तो वो एक तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही पीसफुल लोकेशन थी. And as an actor, I was really happy because whenever you're traveling and shooting, मुझे लगता है you can go into that whole world. It gives you a lot of freedom. तो आपको अब कोई distraction नहीं होता. And I don't like shooting in Bombay because
Yeah, real
you're-
locations are better than
real location. Like it
yeah.
helps you get into the character and
the
to
flavor, the taste, the
Yeah.
smell, the
Everything.
atmosphere over
Yeah.
there. That really helps. I mean, and at the end of the day, it shows on screen also. The flavors, they kind of rise above and make the scene a notch higher than it is if it was in a studio somewhere
That's true.
with the AC blowing too hard and all of us feeling very cold.
That's true. And we had such good food.
Right. I'm sure.
Great Chettinad food.
Yeah.
Every
And you know,
day.
this is proven. This is proven. कि जो South India का जो खाना है, जो rasam and the entire thing, you can never get that in Bombay. You know, that flavor,
No way, no.
that flavor, you cannot get it. Like the dosa and the rasam and the entire works.
वहां से सब लोग
beginning
मसाला पैक करके वापस लेके आए थे.
Yeah.
And वो even South India में हर कुछ टाइम के ऊपर वो उसका भी flavor change होता रहता है.
Yeah.
Which is I think which is
Yeah.
so
Every
beautiful.
10-15 kilometer it changes.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
flavor, even coffee, ka
Yeah.
taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Okay, and Vivek, how important is it for you as a director to shoot on locations?
I personally prefer shooting on real locations. But कभी situations होती हैं ऐसी जहाँ आपको set पे भी shoot करना पड़ता है. You build a set and you build it really nicely. But personally, as a maker, I love shooting on real locations because there is some charm in it which can't be expressed in words, to be very honest with you. So I try my best जितना हो सके अगर हम real location पे shoot कर सकें, जहाँ पे कहानी based है वहाँ जाके shoot कर सकें. I always try for that. And because it's a different experience altogether. It really helps everyone, I feel, not just the actors but the makers as well who are behind the camera. एक वहाँ की आबो हवा में ही वो बात होती है, which kind of helps you execute it better and kind of feel better about the whole process as such.
Okay, and Sanya, what about Mr. Rajnikant? How big a fan of Mr. Rajnikant are you?
उनका कौन नहीं है fan?
सूरज को आग दिखाने वाली बात हो गई.
सूरज को आग दिखाने वाली बात. And इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल फीलिंग. मेरे पापा बहुत बड़े, मेरे से भी ज्यादा बड़े फैन है रजनीकांत के, एंड ही वाज सो हैप्पी व्हेन ही सॉ द फिल्म. ही वाज लाइक, सान्या तो दिल्ली आएगी ना तो मुझे वो चश्मे वाला स्टंट करके प्लीज सिखाना, मैं वो करना चाहता हूँ. एंड ही वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग, सो आई हैव वीडियोस ऑफ हिम प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट होल चश्मे वाला थिंग दैट आई डिड इन द फिल्म. तो बहुत ही स्पेशल है, क्योंकि मेरे पापा बहुत बड़े फैन है, तो मैं हर सैटरडे संडे तो पापा बैठ के देखते हैं उनकी मूवीज जो भी आ रही होती है टीवी पे. तो it was an honor for me to play Meenakshi, who's such a big fan of Rajnikant on screen. तो वो लास्ट सीन में मुझे लगता है मुझे वो मौका मिला टू परफॉर्म इट दैट वे, विच वॉज नॉट हार्ड एट ऑल. मतलब वो ऐसा था, इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि तुम रजनीकांत की फिल्म देख रही हो, एंड आई वाज इन इट कंप्लीटली. तो आई कुड फील इट कि यही, मतलब अगर मैं बैठ के देखूं तो वही फील होता है व्हेन यू सी हिम ऑन स्क्रीन. यू लाइक इन ऑ कि ये कैसे कर लेते हैं, मतलब इट्स सो गुड.
Sanya, you said practicing in a very South accent.
हाँ ऐसे मैं बोलती ऐसे, पता है, I get that a lot. Just before the film also I used to get that a lot. मैं बोलना मेरा वैसा है.
No, not okay. Okay, have you met Rajni sir?
Yes, I have. I've met him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've met him.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, it was a good experience, but I can't find that photo anywhere. I clicked a photo with him, which I don't. I met him with Fatima and Amir sir during Dangal, so we had gone to Chennai.
But she said photo नहीं है इनके पास.
मेरे पास मुझे फोटो
नहीं, फोटो नहीं है तो नहीं हुआ. I don't believe.
नहीं, I have proof. I'll ask Fatima to share that
I want
photo.
to see. I want to see.
Vivek, any plans of showing the film to Rajni sir by any chance?
Yeah, I would love to show it to him. Why not? मतलब क्यों नहीं?
I'll be really happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is something which is widely. All right. Okay. And Sanya, what next from you?
Just finished Love Hostel with Vikrant and Bobby sir.
Right.
And then right now I'm shooting a film with Rajkumar Rao. It's called Hit. जो एक तेलुगु फिल्म का रीमेक है. Directed by Sarvesh.
Okay. And Vivek, what about you? What are your plans?
Right now, there are a couple of ideas I'm working on, so still focusing on the writing part. So yeah, haven't finalized anything yet. So also I was quite busy with this whole post-production process and stuff like that. So now,
Of course.
after a while, I'll just get into the writing phase of mine again, and then we'll see what next.
Of course. All right. So congratulations to you guys for Meenakshi Sundareshwar. A great response is coming. Like मैंने जिससे भी सुना है, मैंने अच्छी बातें सुनी है, you know. And
आपने देखी या नहीं देखी?
आपने देखी कि नहीं?
मैं आपको हल्दी का दूध से बताता रहा हूँ.
ट्रेलर में भी है, वो तो
I'm
ट्रेलर
giving
में
you, नहीं, मैं आपको, like I've seen that they shared me with me quite some time back itself. So congratulations, and I'm sure that it's going to go from strength to strength. And I hope Rajni sir watches it.
Thank you. Thank
you
you
so much.
Thank you for it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. All the best.
Bye.